The StewMac Precision Fret Tool Trio brings together a string action gauge, fret rocker, and spot leveling file that cover nearly every common fretwork task on guitars and basses. The metric string action gauge makes it straightforward to dial in consistent string height, nut slots, saddles, and pickup distance with the kind of accuracy that serious setups demand. The compact fret rocker acts as a multi-length straightedge, quickly revealing individual high frets that cause buzzing without forcing you to guess where the problem lies. The dedicated fret kisser focuses on one fret at a time, letting you level problem spots without having to resurface the entire fingerboard, which saves both material and setup time. Each piece in this trio is machined from durable material with clearly marked measurements, so it stands up to daily workshop use while remaining easy to read on the bench. Because the three tools work together as a complete diagnostic and repair system, they are equally useful for professional luthiers and careful players who prefer to handle their own fretwork.